Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Diskdigger and granting storage permissions so the app can read deleted sectors. Once done, stop using the phone to avoid new files overwriting the images you want back, because deletion only frees space. It doesn't erase data immediately. Next, launch Diskdigger and choose Basic Scan for non-rooted devices or Full Scan if you have root access. Choose Full to access raw partitions for higher recovery rates. Make sure to plug into power to avoid interruptions while scanning. You select the partition or SD card where photos were lost, because targeting narrows the scan and saves time. Then pick file type filters like JPG, PNG, or HEIC so Diskdigger ignores irrelevant data. If results are sparse, increase scan depth to search raw clusters, which takes longer but finds more fragments. Once thumbnails appear, inspect previews, partial images can still contain recoverable content, and mark files you want. Finally, use pause to review matches and prepare for exporting selections. You export recovered photos to an external drive, cloud storage, or a computer, never to the same device you're scanning, because writing files can overwrite remaining recoverable data. Once exported, verify each image with an image viewer. If some are corrupted, attempt quick repair tools or rerun a deeper scan. If export fails or results are poor, try a full scan with root, change file type filters, or connect the storage to a PC and run Diskdigger there. That often resolves permission or speed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.